The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon in which light, when incident on a material, causes the emission of electrons from said material. Welcome to a new video from EDI Education, where we will study one of the most curious phenomena in modern physics. It happens that, at the time, the conceptions of light that we had could not explain this phenomenon. In a world where light was thought of as a wave, the existence of the photoelectric effect overthrew the wave model, giving rise to the corpuscular model, according to which light behaves like a particle. However, we will not miss the moment to say that some light phenomena cannot be explained by the corpuscular model and are only explained by the wave model, according to which light is transmitted in the form of waves. This is a headache for scientists, and surely for you too. The so-called wave-particle duality is, without a doubt, one of the most interesting axes of study in current physics, but we will leave it for another video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for when we release it. Returning to the photoelectric effect, we will begin by saying that it occurs when the energy of the light photons is sufficient to overcome the binding energy of the electrons in the material, allowing them to be released. Let us remember that photons act like little trucks that transport light according to the current model of how we conceive the universe. Solar panels use the photoelectric effect to convert sunlight into electricity. When photons of sunlight hit photovoltaic cells, they release electrons, generating electrical current. Digital cameras and video cameras use the photoelectric effect in image sensors to capture light, and convert it into electronic signals, forming images. Photocells are devices that use the photoelectric effect to detect light. For example, lamps with built-in light sensors that turn on automatically when it gets dark use photocells. Heinrich Hertz observed the photoelectric effect by exposing metals to ultraviolet radiation, which resulted in the emission of electrons. In summary, the photoelectric effect is essential for various technological applications and provides a fundamental understanding of the interaction. The phenomenon of the photoelectric effect, aligned with the wave theory, initially suggested that electromagnetic waves could dislodge electrical charges from metal plates due to the incident energy. It was assumed that with less intense light, according to this model, it would take longer for an electric current to arise in the photosensitive plate. However, when the experiment was repeated under new conditions, an immediate flow of electrons was observed when light hit the plate, defying the expectations of the wave model. In 1905, Albert Einstein provided an explanation for the photoelectric effect with the following key points. 1. Each material has a minimum frequency to release electrons, regardless of light intensity. 2. When the frequency is appropriate, the amount of photoelectrons emitted is proportional to the intensity of the light. 3. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons increases with the frequency of incident light. 4. Photoelectronic emission is practically instantaneous, even at low light intensity. Research into electromagnetic radiation, such as light or infrared thermal radiation, is based on the wave model. Heinrich Hertz discovered that ultraviolet radiation could remove negative charges from polished metal, thus generating electric current. Did you know this milestone of modern physics? Do you know of any other example in which the photoelectric effect is applied? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.